Hello, hello, my most amazing artists. Today we're going to be drawing or painting a campfire under a moonlit night with some roasted marshmallows. Alright, let's get this in focus. Okay, here we go. We have our canvas, nice up and down with a blue background or dark blue background. We have a chalk for drawing. Remember, if you need to go slow, we can always pause the video. And if you make a mistake, that's okay, because chalk wipes right away. Alright, we're going to start with the center of our canvas. Find the center with your finger, and then come down just a little bit. That's where we're going to start our little U shape for our campfire. And underneath our U shape, we're going to make the start of our log. So we're going to make 1, 2, 3. If you want 4 logs, you can. Maybe I can fit 4 in. We're going to do these little ovals. Let's zoom in so we can see better. Alright, from these ovals, we're going to connect them to the bottom of the fire. On the front oval, you can make a little swirly inside to remind yourselves how we're going to paint later with the dark brown. You can even add some texture lines if you like on top of the wood logs. Alright, moving on. Let's talk about the fire. So now you have 2 choices for how you want to make your fire. You can actually take your hand and with the white paint, paint your hand and stamp it on top of the fire. And that is awesome and fun and totally okay. But if you'd like to draw it, follow along with me. We're going to start with this shape here, with this curved line here, and we're going to come up and make a pointy line, come back down. And do the same thing on the other side. Now it doesn't have to be perfect because all fires are different, of course. Come up, pointy line, come back in. Pointy line, but we're growing these pointy lines going up. And even if you don't like your drawing, you can change it a little bit later. So we have this outside shape. You can ask for help with this if you're having a little bit of trouble. On the inside, we're going to do this again. Make 1 or 2 of these pointy line shapes. This one's going to be a reminder for us later. When you're done with that, you're going to go to the top of your paper. Let's zoom in. Or sorry, not your paper, your canvas. And you're going to draw the moon. I start with the letter C and then come back out and around. When you're finished with that, we're going to be drawing our marshmallow shapes. We're going to on a stick. So we're going to draw the marshmallow shape with 2 lines and a very skinny oval on the top and a curved line on the top of that. If you need help drawing some of these shapes, all you have to do is ask. On the top of this mallow, we're going to draw a little line. On the bottom, we're going to draw another little line that goes to the edge of the canvas. And we can add a little branch shape. So that's how we roast our marshmallows. If you'd like to make one on the other side, you absolutely can. I'm going to draw it again. Only this time I'm making these shapes go this way. Little oval on the bottom, curved line going up on the top, little line on the top there, and a line on the bottom going off the paper. And I'm making it look like it's a stick again. there you have it. You've drawn your marshmallows and campfire project, and then we're going to start to paint. Follow along for the painting steps.